Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito po, update tungkol kay Attorney Lopez, yung nakakulong na Chief of Staff sa OBP at yung mga planong gagawin ni BP Sara. Gusto ni BP Sara na samahan si Attorney Lopez hanggang Lunes doon sa kulungan dahil may sakit si Attorney Lopez ngayon. Ito po, may formal letter si BP Sara address kay Congressman Joel Chua. Sabi niya, November 21, kahapon ito nga sulat. Dear Representative Chua, I am writing to formally request that I be allowed to stay with Attorney Zulueta Lopez, Undersecretary and Chief of Staff of the Office of the Vice President, who is presently detained at the House of Representatives for the whole duration of her detention. So hanggang Lunes. For humanitarian reasons, I request for consideration of her situation given the following circumstances. Number 1, as you may have already noticed during her appearance in the committee hearing yesterday, she has persistent and chronic back problem that often further results to migraines. Number 2, she has expressed since yesterday that she is nauseous and lightheaded, nahihilo. Number 3, she has little sleep because of fears for her safety and security. Number 4, she is not used to being alone and is worried that other detainees may cause her harm. Number 5, she is still experiencing fatigue due to jet lag and sadness about the condition of her aunt. Number 6, she has requested me to join her so she may have peace of mind and get absolute rest. Thank you. Very truly yours, Sara Z. Duterte, Vice President. And receive, may tatak na receive sa office ni Congressman Chua. Okay, ito naman ang reply ni Congressman Chua. Dear Vice President Duterte, I have received your request to accompany your Chief of Staff, Attorney Zulueta Lopez, for the whole duration of her detention for humanitarian reasons. Inasmuch as this humble representation would like to accommodate your request, we are constrained to abide by the guidelines of the Office of the Sergeant at Arms. Per guidelines, the facility is for detainees only, and the committee has not ordered for your detention. However, you may visit her during the period allowable under the Sergeant at Arms guidelines. We are constrained to follow OSAA guidelines. Please be guided accordingly. Thank you very much. Very truly yours, Congressman Joel Chua. Okay, so disapprove po yung request ni BP Sara na samahan siya doon sa detention cell. Okay, so sumulat ulit si BP Sara in response to the disapproval of his request. So, dear Representative Chua, I write in response to your reply to my request to accompany Attorney Lopez for the whole duration of her detention at the House of Representatives. I would like to inform you in advance that I intend to visit Attorney Lopez daily for the full period of her detention within the bounds of the guidelines pertaining to the persons under custody of the Office of the Sergeant at Arms. Very truly yours, Sara Duterte. So, ayun, may sakit pala may sakit si Attorney Lopez. Sumasakit yung likod. Tingnan natin yung ano. Sumasakit ang likod, back pains, na nagre-resulta sa migraines. Ano pa yung pangalawa? Nahihilo siya dahil na rin sa ano. Alam ko yan, yung jet lag. Di ba, kararating lang niya galing sa US. Naranasan ko na rin yan, hindi ka makatulog ng mahimbing. Kasi yung oras ng pagtulog sa US at oras pagtulog sa Pilipinas magkaiba. So, mahirap matulog. Okay, natatakot siya sa kanyang security. Kasi, baka nagkahalo-halo na. Ang dami ng mga ano eh. Ang dami ng ikinulong. Jason, ang dami ng ikinulong sa House of Representatives. Maraming detainees. Baka halo-halo sila. Doon. So, worried si Attorney Lopez. And then, hindi siya sanay mag-isa. Baka first time mangyari sa kanya ito, hindi na niya inasahan. Kaya personally, ni-request ni Attorney Lopez yung presence ni VP Sara para magkaroon siya ng peace of mind. Kaya, kagabi magdamag na nandun si VP Sara, although hindi nga siya pinayagan na doon siya sa detention cell mismo, at least nandun siya sa opisina ni Congressman Paulo Duterte. So, dito mo makikita yung leadership. Anong klaseng leader itong ating VP Sara? She can relate sa paghihirap ng kanyang mga tao. Okay. Magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Restituto Balabat. It is clear that the purpose of this trial by publicity is to coerce the Duterte family. I cannot imagine that a Congressman Castro, a convicted one, will initiate contempt of the Chief of Staff of VP Sara Duterte. May the Filipino people be vigilant of this political oppression. Let us not topple the Quadcom people by not electing. Let us topple the Quadcom people by not electing them in the next midterm election. Okay, so Maki Reponte Alcontin. Sabi niya, Duterte pa rin kami. Catherine May Manatas. Let's wait 2025, Madam Sara, for the people of the Philippines, especially sa taga Mindanao. Can't wait to vote. Ito, ang daming nag-comments. Walang letra, kailang ano lang, yung kamaong ganyan, Duterte, saka puso, and then agila. Hindi na sila nagsalita. Ano lang oh. So, mga Duterte supporters ito. So, nakakalungkot po itong mga ganitong pangyayari. But then, may hangganan ang lahat. Darating ang panahon, kagaya yung nangyari kina Doc Loren Badoy, mas matagal na kina Doc Loren Badoy. Hanggang 7 or 10 days ata. So ito kay Attorney Lopez is nagsimula Huwebes, Biyernes, Sabado, Linggo, 4 days. So, laban lang, Attorney Lopez. Maraming Pilipino ang nakikisimpatya sa inyo. Darating din ang panahon kung ano ang kanilang itinanim, kanila ring aanihin. Ang taong bayan nakamasid at balang araw ang taong bayan ang maghusga kung sino ang nararapat na maglingkod sa taong bayan.